Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove shadows from your photos on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can tap on the open button or the plus icon to open up any image that you would like to edit. Once you open up your image, if you wish to remove the shadow from this, just tap on the tools option. From the tools option, tap on healing and then double tap on this image to zoom in. You can then highlight the shadow part of your image with the red marker to choose the shadow part that you wish to remove. After you choose the shadow part and you release the red marker, it will be removed from your image right away. You can complete this process by covering the entire shadow area, and once this process is completed, you can zoom out and check your results. Once the shadow has completely been removed, you can tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. And now you can export your image with your chosen settings applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove shadows from your images on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.